Hi guys, thanks so much for being here. I'm Miss Adegas. I'm in the front office. If you need anything, please give me a call. My extension is right next to the phone. We are going to do a little quick tour of our Riso. So here's where the paper goes, and right in here we have a little selector. So to the left is going to be regular copy paper, and to the right is going to be for construction or cardstock. So you want to make sure that that is selected before you make your copy. So I want to make this nice copy of our Welcome Back to School. So I'm going to go ahead and lift the lid, and I'm going to make sure that my paper is between the 8.5 foot scape. We'll close that up. It is ready. It knows that I want to make a master, so I'm going to hit that just in case, and I'm going to go ahead and hit that select button, and now the copier is going to make a master. Once it makes the master, I can make 200 copies off that if I needed to, but for sake of our printer, please make sure you use this one for 20 or more copies. If you have 20 or less copies, you can use the black copier, which is so much easier to use. As long as this copy machine is warmed up, it will make a nice crisp copy. You can see this one is a little light, so before I use it to make an additional copy, I'm going to go ahead and make 5 extra copies to make sure I get a nice crisp copy for the teacher. And you can see by copy 5, we're looking at a nice crisp copy. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to come back over here because I want this on the back. I'm going to push this little green button, which will lower my paper. And then I'm going to turn it upside down with the direction I would like facing up to the top of the page. Now I'm going to come back to my lid. Make sure that this one is centered. And I'm going to go ahead and hit my master making and my start button. So typically we wouldn't make just one copy, but for the demonstration, we're going to make one copy. And here we are. We have our back to school on one side and our Green Oaks volunteer on the other. Thanks so much for being here, and if you need anything, I'm at 120-820 on the phone. Thanks, guys.